Hey guys, welcome to another TotalWorks video. My name is Daniel Karjadi from Shine Squad Australia, and this is...
I am Fatty, the guy behind the camera usually.
With the help of TotalWorks and their new products coming out, we're going to get this guy and bring it back to life. Get this paint right, get the headlight right. It's going to be mad. So we're going to start it off with TotalWorks Snow Foam solution. This will just get all that contaminants and that grime out of the paint before we start rubbing it with some kind of washing mitt. It's pretty cool, just kind of mix that with water all the way to the top and happy days! Next we're using the hybridsolutions ceramic wash and wax by TotalWorks. It's a new solution for car wash. It's pretty cool. The car's washed and we got rid of most of the contaminants on top of the paint as much as we can. We're now going a bit further using the clay bar and TotalWorks Clean and Shine just as a bit of a lubricant, just getting everything out, getting the paint as smooth as we can before we start the polishing stage. Alright, this is just one pass of the bonnet and you can see it's starting to be really grimy. So that's good, we're taking things off. Alright, so we're using TotalWorks' Headlight Lens Repair and Renew solution. Now this is actually one of their newer solutions for headlight restore. Apparently it's supposed to be better than the last one, so we'll see. It's pretty simple actually. You're actually just going to put this on top of a microfiber cloth or even a cotton cloth, like a terry cloth. Apply it on with a bit of pressure back and forth where the damaged area is. Make sure you tape it up with the paint around the side so you're not getting this chemical onto your paint. I like to do things non-destructive part first and then get on the destructive part if it doesn't work. So if this doesn't work, then we'll wet sand it. The cool part about this TotalWorks package is that even when you do your own wet sand, it comes with everything you need and you use the same product as well. So it's an all-in-one stop product, which is awesome. Alright, so we clay barred the car, we've done the headlight, restored everything, looking good. Now we're up to the polishing side. We're doing it right. We've got a random orbital machine. We've got TotalWorks Hybrid Ceramic Polish and Wax. This is something that's new coming out of their line and I heard really good things. And look, we're not in the most perfect location for a detailed job. We're not a detailer, we're not in a warehouse with the perfect lights, but that's a good thing because it can show you what TotalWorks stuff can do off the shelf for yourself at home. Just to get really good results. First off, you got a foam pad on the random orbital. You got the product. You're gonna do 4 dots on the pad. And always start on your lower settings and just spread it around your area. You wanna do a small section of your car first, not the whole panel. Alright, so we cut and polished the car already. It's looking really, really good. There's a massive difference from how it was before to it is now. No more contaminants, you can feel through the paint, it's really smooth, and we're up to the coating side. Obviously, you polish it, you bring it all back down, you're gonna protect it with a bit of a coat. This is something that's amazing. I've tried this before and I'm loving it so far. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coat. It's really easy to use. Spray on, wipe off, and then use a damp cloth to kind of get off any high spots or anything like that, or anything left over. All you need is about 24-hour curing time, and it's rated for 12 months. To be honest though, I'll use this probably every 3 to 4 months just to kind of keep that car protected. But the best part about it is that it's easy to use and is readily available off the shelf. So what you want to do is kind of spray it on, wipe it on with one cloth, no pressure, just letting it spread throughout the whole surface, and then wipe it off with a dry cloth. Make sure it's 2 separate cloths, and do a small section at a time. And the car's all done. The results are amazing. It speaks for itself. And just to show how easy it was, we did all of that in one day, and you guys can do that too at home. But for now, I'm gonna let that ceramic coat do its job and cure for 24 hours. I'm gonna let it rest and see how it looks tomorrow.